Coach Zach, it is your turn. Sino? Kila third, Aliyah, Summer, at Sofia ang gusto mong lumaban sa semifinal round.
Well, you guys took a lot of responsibility with sing-offs also. And it shows naman na you guys did such a good job. Grabe guys. Galing nyo. Ang galing nyo apat. I'm proud of each and every one of you. So, the one moving into the next round is Sophia. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. And to all Project Z members. The next and final one that's moving into the next round. This is tough. Tough. The one moving into the next round is Summer. I love you.
Mga kapuso, mula sa Team Believe and Project Z, eto na ang huling apat na batang aabante sa ating semifinal round. Palakpakan po natin sila. Woo!
Matinding tapatan ng boses ang ipinakita sa atin ng mga pambato ni na Coach Zach at Coach Billy. Pero sa huli, sina Sofia at Summer ang napiling lumaban sa semifinals para sa Project Z. Mula naman sa Team Believe, ang mga boses nila Yana at Aliyah ang mas umangat.